Hey, Patrick, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about my feelings today. One of those mornings where your mind wakes up before your body does.
Oh, yes. I know exactly what you mean. So tell me, what kind of feelings are we talking about?
Hmm, a mix, honestly. A little tired, a little heavy, but also kind of peaceful. It's strange, like my feelings are wearing different hats today.
Different hats. That is such a cute way to describe emotions.
Yeah, well, feelings can be funny and confusing, and I thought maybe today we could talk about them. About feelings. Simple English, real experiences.
I love that idea. Talking about feelings is important, but many English learners don't learn the real way people talk about them.
Exactly. So maybe we can share how we feel, how we describe emotions, how we deal with them.
Perfect. But first, for anyone new to our channel, let's introduce ourselves. Hi, everyone. My name is Shirley. I'm from the United States, and I love helping English learners by having natural, slow conversations about real topics, real life, real emotions, real stories.
And I'm Patrick, also from the US. I love simple, friendly English conversations because I think learning is easier when it feels like talking with a friend.
Today, we're talking about feelings, one of my favorite topics because feelings are something we all share as humans.
Yes, every person has feelings big ones, small ones, confusing ones, and talking about them is healthy.
So, Patrick, this morning you said you're feeling a little heavy. Why do you think that is?
Mm, I think it's because my week has been busy, not terrible, just full, and I haven't taken much time to rest or breathe.
That full week feeling. Like your brain is carrying a backpack full of emotions. Hi, everyone. My name is Shirley. I'm from the United States, and I love helping English learners by having natural, slow conversations about real topics, real life, real emotions, real stories.
And I'm Patrick, also from the US. I love simple, friendly English conversations because I think learning is easier when it feels like talking with a friend. Today, we're talking about feelings, one of my favorite topics because feelings are something we all share as humans.
Yes, every person has feelings big ones, small ones, confusing ones, and talking about them is healthy. So, Patrick, this morning you said you're feeling a little heavy. Why do you think that is?
I think it's because my week has been busy, not terrible, just full, and I haven't taken much time to rest or breathe.
That full week feeling, like your brain is carrying a backpack full of emotions.
Yes, exactly. A backpack with too many feelings in it.
And sometimes the heavy feeling doesn't even come from something big, it just shows up quietly.
Right. I wake up and think, why do I feel this way? But feelings don't always explain themselves.
No, they don't. So, how would you describe your feeling right now in one simple word?
Hmm. Tired. Not physically tired, emotionally tired.
I understand that so well.
What about you, Shirley? How are you feeling today?
Let me think. Today, I feel calm, but also a little sad.
Sad? Like deep sadness?
No, not deep, just a soft sadness, a quiet kind. Like when the sky is gray and your heart feels gentle and emotional.
That's actually a really nice description.
Thank you. And it's normal. Feelings change from day to day. Yesterday, I felt super energetic. Today, I feel quiet and reflective.
Feelings really are like the weather.
Yes, sometimes sunny, sometimes cloudy, sometimes rainy, all part of being human.
Something I notice is that English learners only learn basic emotions happy, sad, and angry. But real life has so many more feelings.
Absolutely. Feelings like tired in your heart, overwhelmed, peaceful, lonely, even with people, worried, hopeful, grateful, stressed, calm, but emotional, and more.
Yes, and we sometimes feel more than one emotion at the same time.
Like me today, calm and sad. Two feelings sitting next to each other.
Humans are complicated. I actually have a funny story about feelings surprising me.
Oh no, this is going to be good. Tell me.
So last week, I was walking to the grocery store. Nice weather, I felt happy, relaxed, all good vibes. Then I saw a little kid drop his ice cream on the ground.
Oh no.
And suddenly, I felt so sad, like deep, dramatic sadness. My heart broke for that ice cream.
Patrick, the kid's ice cream changed your whole emotional world?
Yes, I saw that ice cream melting and thought, this is the saddest moment in history.
It's funny how small things can touch our emotions so strongly.
Exactly. One moment happy, next moment emotional disaster.
One emotion that shows up for many people and shows up in many countries, not just English speakers, is anxiety.
Oh, yes. And anxiety is strange because your body feels it before your mind understands it.
Yes, my chest gets tight, my breathing gets short, my heart feels like it's walking fast even when I'm not walking.
That is such a perfect way to describe anxiety.
Thanks. How does anxiety feel for you?
For me, it's like a warm, uncomfortable feeling in my chest, and my thoughts start moving too fast. I can't focus.
Anxiety doesn't even need a reason. It just shows up like, hey, I heard you were relaxing. Let me ruin that.
Exactly.
So, what do you do when you feel anxious?
I move my body. Walking helps me, stretching helps, even washing dishes helps. Something physical.
Yes, movement is powerful.
If I sit still while anxious, my thoughts get louder.
Same. For me, breathing helps. Just 3 slow breaths. Sometimes I put a hand on my chest and say, you're okay.
I love that.
Let's talk about a nicer emotion peace. When do you feel peaceful?
In the morning, before work, before messages, before noise, just me, my coffee, and the quiet world.
That sounds so nice. For me, peace comes at night. Dim lights, soft music, slow breathing.
Peace feels rare but precious.
Yes, like a gift.
Do you get angry easily?
Not angry, but I get frustrated.
Oh, yes, frustration is strong.
When I'm tired but still have to work, frustration. When my plans change suddenly, frustration. When the internet goes slow, big frustration.
Slow internet is emotional pain.
Yes, my shoulders get tight and my face makes this little angry expression.
I want to see the face.
Nope.
Do you ever feel lonely?
Yes. Sometimes even when I'm with people.
Same. Loneliness doesn't always mean being alone. Sometimes it means feeling unseen.
Exactly. Feeling like nobody really understands what's inside your heart.
That's a hard feeling.
Yes, but also normal. Everyone feels lonely sometimes.
When I moved to a new city years ago, I felt lonely, even though I met people. Everything was new. I didn't feel like myself.
Oh, that must have been tough.
It was. But one day I realized loneliness isn't a sign something is wrong. It's part of growing.
Wow, that's beautiful.
And slowly, the feeling passed.
Feelings always pass. One feeling I try to practice is gratitude. Even when I'm sad or stressed, I look for one small thing to appreciate.
Yes, gratitude makes the heart softer.
Exactly. Today, I'm grateful for warm tea and a quiet morning.
I'm grateful for this conversation. It feels honest, and honesty is comforting.
Oh, that's sweet. Do you ever feel hopeful for no reason?
Yes, some days I wake up and think something good might happen today. No proof, just a light feeling.
Hope is gentle but strong.
Yes, even in hard times, hope says keep going.
A feeling I don't like is being misunderstood.
That's a painful one.
When someone thinks you're upset, but you're not, or they think you're fine when you're struggling.
Yes, feeling misunderstood is like speaking but not being heard.
Exactly. But the opposite feeling, feeling supported, is amazing.
Yes, when someone listens without judging, it feels like a warm blanket around the heart.
A safe feeling.
Yes, safety is a feeling too.
You know, after talking about feelings for so long, I feel lighter.
Me too. Talking about feelings actually helps feelings move.
Yes, feelings are not good or bad. They're messages. They tell us something about our needs.
Exactly. And the more we understand our feelings, the more we understand ourselves.
So, to everyone listening, whatever you're feeling today, happy, sad, tired, confused, peaceful, it's okay. Your feelings are part of being human.
You're not alone. And your feelings will grow, change, and pass, just like weather.
Be gentle with yourself.
And take a deep breath.
Thank you for joining us today.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time.